For question 5, it asks, why is it important for people with diabetes to participate in regular physical activity in relation to glucose uptake? So how glucose uptake works in our bodies is we have this protein transporter, GLUT4, and it is found in our skeletal muscles. This protein transporter is activated by insulin, epinephrine, norepinephrine, glucagon, or through muscle contraction. What happens is when insulin in our bodies attaches to the insulin receptor, it opens the GLUT4 protein transporter, allowing glucose to enter our cells. And the same happens through a muscle contraction. When we have a muscle contraction, the GLUT4 protein transporter is open and allows glucose into our cells. This is important for people with diabetes to partake in physical activity because individuals with diabetes either don't produce insulin or their bodies don't respond the way that it should to insulin, which prevents these individuals from uptaking or storing glucose within their cells. So through physical activity, they allow their body to perform muscle contractions, which then allows them to store and uptake that glucose that their body would therefore not be able to because they don't produce or doesn't respond the same way to insulin. The more that a diabetic exercises, there is an increase in GLUT4, so an increase in the ability to transport so it can store more glucose and aid the body in continuing to uptake and take in the excess glucose that is in their blood, for example, after they eat. So that is why if diabetics eat a meal, it is a good idea for them to go on a walk right after because that activates their GLUT4 within their bodies through muscle contraction, allowing them to store and uptake the glucose that they just consumed, therefore not leading to them having hyperglycemia or excess glucose in their blood, and it allows their body to perform how it should without insulin. Overall, it is important for diabetics to partake in regular physical activity because they are performing muscle contractions, which allows them to store glucose without the need of insulin, which again their bodies might not produce or might not use properly because of diabetes.